Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on enabling a fixed and sticky header using a WordPress theme. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make your website header remain visible as you scroll down the page. We will begin the process by navigating to the WordPress site. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering WordPress. Upon loading the site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page. You will notice a login option there. Click on the login button to start the process of accessing your account. Once you have clicked login, the next step is to sign in using a convenient method available on the platform. Here, you should choose the option that allows you to continue with Google. When you select this option, you will be presented with a list of Google accounts you have previously used. Choose the account that you want to use for signing into WordPress. This method simplifies the login process by taking advantage of the familiar and secure Google sign-in procedure. After successfully signing into your account, your attention should be drawn to a section known as Quick Links. This section offers various shortcuts to important parts of your website management. In the Quick Links section, locate and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This action will direct you to the site editor interface, where you can modify various elements of your WordPress website. Once you are in the site editor, it is time to focus on customizing the header area. With the editor interface now open, locate your header. This is often represented by a visual element at the top of the page, and you should click directly on it to select it for editing. By clicking on the header, you signal that you intend to modify its settings, which include options to make it fixed and stick to the top of the page as visitors scroll. After selecting the header, direct your focus to the right panel of the editor interface. This panel is rich with configuration options that allow you to adjust the design of your header. Within this panel, search for an option labeled Position. Clicking on Position will yield additional settings related to the placement and behavior of the header element. The next step involves interacting with a drop-down menu that appears in the Position options. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of placement choices available for your header. From within the list of options, choose the setting identified as Sticky. Selecting Sticky will configure your header to remain at the top of the screen as users scroll through your website content. This functionality is particularly useful for ensuring that navigation menus and other important header elements are always accessible to your visitors. Throughout this process, remember that slight differences in your theme's design might require you to look for similar labels or options if they are not exactly as described. The images provided in the tutorial serve as a visual guide to help you locate the header element, the position option, and the drop-down menu in your site editor. By carefully following these instructions, you can successfully enable a fixed and sticky header for your WordPress theme, enhancing both the usability and aesthetic appeal of your website. This concludes the detailed guide on how to transform your header into a fixed, sticky element using WordPress. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and improved navigation that come with this update.